Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by inspecting the gouache to know what you need to do. A crusted surface needs different handling than a slightly tacky cake. Mix a small test. Scrape a pea-sized amount and add 1/2 teaspoon distilled water to observe rewetting. Use a palette knife so you don't contaminate tubes. Once done, measure a few drops of glycerin or a drop of fabric medium. These additives restore flexibility and prevent cracking because they change binder-to-pigment balance and improve flow. You now focus on the hard part, rehydration and rebinding. Slowly integrate water. Add just 1 or 2 drops at a time and mix in a circular motion so you can feel when pigment loosens. If the paint flakes or is powdery, add a single drop of glycerin per teaspoon of paint to restore binder function. This keeps pigments cohesive and prevents cracking. Make sure to test on scrap paper to balance opacity and matte finish, since too much liquid loses the gouache character. You complete the process by refining the texture and storing the restored paint correctly. Strain any remaining lumps through a fine mesh if needed, then remix after 10 to 15 minutes because pigments absorb moisture. Test a swatch to confirm finish and color shift. Transfer to airtight jars and label the date and approximate water-to-paint ratio so you can replicate success. If your paint later shows a cracked finish, add a touch more glycerin or binder and remix. Heat only worsens separation, so avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.